Welcome to Pip Insight. Tuesday the 14th of July, Asian pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture for showing bullish structure and 3 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: Euro dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, Pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure: gold dollar, dollar Swiss, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here we go, and there's plenty to unpack heading into the Asian Open. Gold is sitting around $4,059 as we come into this session, and the broader structure remains bearish. On the 4-hour chart we've got a clear sequence of lower highs and lower lows, with price trading below both the 20 and 50 period EMAs sitting up at $4,066 and $4,088 respectively. That earlier spike to $4,112 during the London Open got firmly rejected, confirming that overhead supply between $4,073 and $4,098 is very much alive. RSI is nudging toward oversold territory around 35, and the MACD histogram has ticked slightly positive, hinting that selling momentum may be taking a breath, but there's no reversal signal yet. On the fundamental side, today's US CPI data is the big one. Forecasts are pointing to a softer annual reading at 3.8% versus 4.2% prior, and a negative monthly print at -0.1%. Cooler inflation generally weighs on the dollar, which historically provides a tailwind for gold. Fed Chair Warsh also testifies, and any dovish tone could amplify that move. Conversely, a hotter-than-expected number could strengthen the dollar and add fresh selling pressure to gold. Into the session, the levels to watch are $4,073 and $4,049 on the downside, with $4,098 and $4,112 as the key resistance above. Euro dollar. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The moving averages are fanning above price. Resistance is marked between 1.1 for 5 and 1.1 for 6.3. Support is marked between 1.1387 and 1.14. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8095 and 0.8128. Support is marked between 0.803 and 0.806. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.69915 and 0.69956. Support is marked between 0.69396 and 0.69546. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.5838 and 0.5852. Support is marked between 0.578 and 0.5807. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing clearly defined bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.40699 and 1.4116. Support is marked between 1.402 and 1.4044. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 217.35 and 217.81. Support is marked between 216.63 and 216.87. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.